Being at EFI Automotive, I get to work in most things that we deal with at school. It's not a plant that's just strictly mechanical or electrical. We deal with everything from PLCs, mechanical, electrical, robotics, and that prepares me for anywhere I may need to go or look for in the future. My name is James Stanford, and I'm currently an industrial maintenance technician at EFI Automotive. I was introduced to the AMT program at Calhoun through my brother, Julian Stanford, who is currently graduated. It seems very unique in a program for companies to be sponsoring students to go through this and get the knowledge they need in the field that they're actually working in. I've heard of other AMT students being offered more jobs as they go through the program and learn more. They see the value of the AMT students and the knowledge they get. I saw an opportunity to learn things that I could use on the job and in real life applications. I've learned a different perspective on my work and not to view things so tunnel visioned and to see a fault on a machine and make assumptions of what it is, but to look at it more open and ask the right questions. I've learned a lot through communication, how to communicate better with both teammates or anyone else I may be working with, including management. This would also take me to other areas in the field, past maintenance, so that's a big security for me.